See, lights, camera, action. Yes, action.
Shaken.
Alright, so well, today I'll be putting together my first, no, not my first, this will be my second AMD build. We'll consider this as a cheap, roughly 500 to 600 US at the time when all of this was bought, to build a decent gaming PC. So here I got the Evga Supernova. Wait, I'm not sure if it's a Supernova. Give me a sec here. Let's take a look. I didn't really get the box with it. I just get it like this. So I guess that was my laptop. Anyways, we're just gonna go and say it's an Evga 450 Bt Bronze Plus. That's all I can tell you. And we have the Ryzen 3 2200G with Radeon Vega graphics. Yeah, WIC graphics integrated with the CPU. But this bad guy is going to be dealing with the graphics. The 1050, not a TI, just a 1050. Normal. It's normal. Right? Right? And we have 8 GB RAM kit from Skull Ripjaws, red, fancy looking. It's 2133 megahertz. That's what it says on the back here. Yeah, so these are the two things going in the computer, and we'll be working. This is our storage device. Nothing never happened. It's the Seagate Baracuba, which is a 2 terabyte hard drive. Mechanical, yes, it's not a hybrid. Unfortunately, we won't be having a solid state in this build. But don't worry, it still performed best. And what else do I have to show off? Oh yes, don't forget the case. Yes, plastic side window, look nice, plastic here, and I think I think it's very roomy inside. I think. Let's see. As you can see, oh, yep, we got a manual here. And we got the accessories that's needed. We got, yeah, speakers, screws, stand-ups. You know, the usual stuff that comes with case. And, oh, I forgot one more important thing. Let's clip this thing closed, because we ain't gonna rip it. Alright, let's get this close up for the time being and put to one side until we're ready. Yes, and the thing that I really forget was what's going to hold all these things together, and that's the motherboard. So we'll be using the Republic of Gaming Strix B450 F Gaming. Is that it? Yes, I got it on point. So this will be our main hub for everything to plug into. So let's get right. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to say. I have my screwdriver, not magnetic, star point. That's all you need. Pretty much all you need. If you're using zip tie, you're probably going to need a zip tie cutter. But for me, I just As you can see, everything's working fine. New lights, exhaust fan blowing, no cool air going through. I hear the post, that means it's all clear and set. Everything seems to be running perfectly fine. So now I just need to hook up a monitor to this and see what's going on. If I need to install the operating system, because this hard drive already had the operating system on it. So everything is working. Inside is pretty cool. But the intake fan, 2 intake fans that is, and 1 outtake. Oh, let's finish off with the plastic removal. Hold up. You're probably wondering, hey Eddie, where's the montage? Where's the boot screen? Where's the good stuff? Well, I kind of forgot all of that shit. Yeah, so you ain't gonna get no boot load, no boot screen, no splash screen or splash art, whatever. And the montage with the 360 scope. I can't do 360 scope with the freaking webcam, so you gotta get what you see. So don't be like me and do a video like this. Do it better, not with a webcam, with an actual camera. Because webcam is only going to limit you to a desk and unstable video throughout the time. But thank you all for watching. See you next time.